Top of the morning. This is day 3 of firing 𝐂𝐿𝐿𝐄𝐎. We've been going at it. Last few days it's been really fun. We got the winch set up again today. We're not doing the rock hops. We're just winching with this guy. Jamie's here. And Tina time. Should be a fun time. All right.
How are you?
We do have the winch set up like over there.
Okay, right there.
So I think we're gonna start pulling from where this metal detector dude is, and every once in a while there's like a little section we can hit in there.
Perfect.
So.
I'm not sure if my knee's ready for airs, but I can send myself in there.
There we go.
They'll be breaking off the shore though, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
I got an extra skim for you today too, so it's kind of been good for skim. I don't know if your knee's ready for that either, but
who knows what's good.
These ones are sick.
This looks good, yeah, perfect.
That's all you need is a little corner like that.
I like it, there's no one out either.
No.
How's that little corner right here?
There's a couple.
It's gonna be fun.
A couple launchers on the winch for
Thanks
sure.
for having me.
Yeah, bro.
We're
Always
back.
welcome.
California.
My bean over here.
Dude.
The bean. I think this guy's a Basset Hound Great Dane mix. when he was a puppy, he literally looked like a bean, I think. So he looked like a little white bean. So yeah,
like,
this is
he's like one of those low ride cars.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Might drag the exhaust a little bit.
Dude.
Yeah, this is Papa Scott's.
He's so big for how short his legs are.
Oh my god,
it's insane.
He probably weighs like 100 pounds too.
More than I do.
Yeah. Look at his head, dude. That thing's massive.
Dude, that thing's... And he drives.
Yeah, he cruises. He's in the driver's seat all the time. Making all the stops. Yeah, Bean.
Dude, this is so sick.
Bean's a chiller. We love you, Bean. So what kind of mix is this little guy?
A Basset and a Mastiff.
Oh my gosh. So Basset Hound and a Mastiff.
So you got to think about that for a second. One of them laid down. Either that or one got on a chair. I'm not sure, but yeah, beautiful dog.
He is one of a kind, to say the least. One of a kind.
I would think so. I've never heard of one.
You've got a collectible dog.
Of the universe inside of me, help me beat the shit out of my heat.
Alright, so I thought Blair said go faster. He was hauling ass. He was going, dude, he was going like this, and I don't know if he was going up or down, but you know, we'll redo it. We'll do it again. Sorry, Blair, my bad.
Everyone got a wave or two, so yeah. What can you do? It was definitely a little late in the day to be doing that. But I like Jamie's technique of the paddle out, because then the rope wasn't in the way of the skimmers. That was kind of nice.
It was really hard to like get the slack out of the line though when he was so far out, the waves kept, but once we got it like taut, it was perfect. Yeah, it was pretty sick.
Yeah, but then he just looked like he was getting dragged underwater to get the line taut.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was a mission. We got 3 pulls each, I think, and
you got a sick air.
That one was worth it.
The air was really sick. It might have been the best.
A little straight air.
That was
the best straight air we have ever done.
Dude. It's cool how fast Jamie gets going too on the softboard.
Yeah.
Like he almost did some Clay Marzo little fins out style. Dude. Yeah, it was rad. He did
and the board's pretty big, huh?
Yeah, he did an air reverse on a 6.0.
Yeah, how is that possible? I don't know.
But the skim's on right now, so we should probably
Let's
go
go.
skim while we have the time. We're a little, I think it's third day. Everyone's a little sketchy today, but we're all still having a blast. And here comes another cider. I might.
The setup here is so good.
Oh, we're going.
Like a starting block.
It just doesn't stop down here. It just does not stop. I can't believe we had 3 days of this. I think that's like a cool story in and of itself, that each day we probably got enough good waves to make a full video, and I think we're just gonna run them back to back. Can we do that? I mean, like, not like back-to-back days, but I think we'll just post them back to back. This is pretty insane. 3 days, the only 3 days I'm home, and it's been firing every day. I feel very lucky, very lucky. And here comes another one. Uh-oh. I'm out of breath.
And our saviors, the seasons, the changes, how we see us, what we favor, the children, their future, calculations and computers, all the love and all the hatred. We're the army of the phase man.
All right, that's it, that's all. Day 3 was phenomenal. We had a lot of slams today, a couple really fun rides, and yeah, that splendid time. Thank you all for watching. We'll have
Photo bomb.
take it over. I'm too okay. Enough talking for me. I'm out of here.
There's no more energy.
I'm pooped. My legs are toast.